welcome to Flash Printing Depot. Today we're going to show you around the Smart Shaker. Essentially, it's going to be a live demo for you guys virtually who aren't able to make it in the store. So we're going to go ahead and start with all the key features we're really excited to share with you. Let's start with the most important and my favorite, because no other shaker out there has this. So are you guys ready? Let's go ahead and open the hood. Can you spot something different from all the other shakers? You got it. These two additional bolts are to cure your artwork perfectly. No other shaker has that. So if you're interested in the Smart Shaker, this is something that you'll definitely get that no one has on the market. Like I said, something that is not like other shakers is this external outlet right here. So you can plug in a heat press, an XY cutter, your fume extractor, a flatbed for easy breezy use. Speaking of fume extractor, let's go ahead. We do recommend using a fume extractor with your Smart Shaker for proper ventilation. So this one can be 110 or 220. As you can see, it just provides, you hook it right at the top of your shaker here, easy installation. We also recommend draining both of these catch oils. So as you can see right here, we have a catch jar right here on the side, which is for easy cleanup. We recommend draining that once a week, and it just gives you a reminder here as well. And your fume extractor, we recommend draining that once a week because this catches oil, and we have an easy valve right here in the back that also has a reminder that says drain once a week. So very easy to use, very user friendly. Let's go ahead and take a look at some more key features. So on this side of the shaker, we have our adjustable full color control panel. So if you're very tall and you need it, if you're, kind of short like me, you can adjust that. It is full color and it is user friendly as well. So it has your belt, your shaking, your dusting, cooling section for your front plate heating to turn that on. This 80 centimeter shaker does not come with the auto recirculation, but it is an option. If you did want that to have auto recirculation, you can order it and just let us know. So this is where the powder would go. The lift here goes right in there. And the most important feature with the Smart Shaker, why we call it the Smart Shaker, it is also the safest shaker on the market with this auto stop lid. So we're gonna go ahead, as you can see, it is shaking right now. It has a job going. Once we lift this lid, it stops the job, and it has the suction, so it's reducing about 90% of airborne powder. And then once we put this back, the job resumes. Smart and safe and innovative. So this shaker has a lot of features that no other shaker has had. So if you're interested, you can visit us at flashprintingdepot.com, or if you wanted to send us an email just to get some more information, you can email us at admin@flashprintingdepot.com.